National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, southeastern Starr County in deep South Texas, until 3:00 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near La Victoria, Oregon, 7 miles north of Sullivan City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sullivan City, Palmhurst, Mccook, Alton, Sylvia, Vela Park, La Homa, Narciso G. Cavazos Elementary School, Doffing, La Victoria, and Citrus City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.